Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna check out an old water treatment truck, Culligan water treatment, and it's pretty cool. I'll show you guys when I get there. Okay, we've reached the truck. Just want to say that this is a good idea to do this in winter time because it's in the middle of a poison ivy patch. But let's get to exploring of the inside after I show you the outside. Here it says Culligan. From Redwood Falls, wherever that is. Oh, Redwood Falls, Minnesota. Redwood Falls. I was reading that at first, not that. Yeah. 413 South Street East. Sales and service. Wonder if that Culligan place is still in business. Basically the same on the other side, just flipped. Let's get inside. Bird nest. Old seat, sliding door. Oh man. Real piece of history this thing is. I don't think that was on the seat before, but there's birds in here. Who knows? I don't even know where that knife came from. So yeah, I was here one time a little bit ago. My cousins. We explored this place. I got scared because there's like a fungus in the seat. I don't know why I got scared. Just a little bit weird looking fungus. Quite weird looking though. And I don't see much fungus often. But plants can't hurt you. Plants can't hurt you. Like I have like a power outlet right there. A stove. A lot of leaves on this side. Feels like this side more downwards. Of old coins. Up here there's a big glass lamp, I think it is. That's without the light bulb. Pretty cool nest. How's this made? It was made. It was made in Garden City, New York. For sure, but can't read the date. I don't know if there's even a date on there. Sliding doors were made in Indiana. This thing was sold in Minnesota. Now it's here. Names up here. 1981, 1970s, 1975, 1987. One more over here. Notice that first. 1987. Got new front tires in 87. Don't know why I logged that. Oh, whoa. Cat's been here. Is that a dog? I don't know, I'm not really good, but that's pretty sure that's it. That's it. Either a cat or a dog. Pretty small. Probably not dog. I think it's probably cat. Don't know why a dog would be over here. Old rag. A whole bunch of plastic forks. Old steering wheel. Gotta be a mouse in here somewhere. Suggest a place where you see a mouse. see when this was last registered. 90 this was last registered. Well, here's a look inside the hood. I don't know much about, I don't think I know much about car parts under the hood, but people might. There it is. I know some. I could list a lot of friends' names. Well, I'm gonna go film the outro and the video. See you guys. Holy cows, I knew that there was a TV in here, but I didn't realize where it was. There it is, TV. Old TV in there.